Today we are again going to discuss here some smart guidelines for 7th standard students. Subject Mathematics Chapter Integers Part 4.
Now I am going to discuss about division of integers. In that some rules for division of integers. Here same sign divisions. So plus divided by plus always will get plus, plus divided by minus will get minus, minus divided by plus will get minus, minus divided by minus will get plus. So it is almost similar to multiplication. So let's take one example. Simple example. In plus, let's take 8 divided by 2. What we will get here? 2 4s are 8. So we will get 4 only. So here plus divided by plus we will get plus only. So if I take 8 divided by minus 2, so it will be 2 4s are 8. So here minus is there. So our rules, plus divided by minus will get minus. So here you will get minus 4. Again minus 8 divided by 2. So again here we will get minus 4. And minus 8 divided by minus 2. Here we will get minus divided by minus, it will get cancelled, means plus 8 divided by 2 will get here 4. So like that you have to use the negative and positive signs. Now check the property closure under division. Let's take one example. 2 by 4 or else 2 is divided by 4. What we will get here? It will be 1 by 2. Okay. So interchanging that, 4 by 2. See here what we will get? 4 divided by 2 we will get here 2. So here whenever you taking the whole numbers, you will get the whole numbers and rational numbers. Okay. So another one example, minus 8 is divided by minus 4, then also you will get here 4 ones are 4 twos are, so it will 2. In case of minus 4 divided by minus 8, so what we will get here? 4 divided by 8 minus will get cancelled, 4 ones are 4 twos are, it will be 1 by 2. Again here it is a rational number which is not integer. So we conclude that integers are not closed under division. Now division is not commutative for integers. Let's take one example. Just earlier we observed that minus 8 divided by minus 4, what we got? That is 2. And minus 4 divided by minus 8, what we got? We got 1 by 2. So both are not equal. So it is not possible for the integers in division. One basic thing we should know here, a by 0 we can't define. Whatever you can take integer or whole number, so we can't divide it by 0, so it will be meaningless. You can say it as not defined. If you dividing 0 by any number, you will get here 0 only. So it is basic for your class. Another property, any integer is divided by 1, it gives the same integer. So it may be minus, positive or whole number, we will get here same number. Any number divided by 1, again we will get same number. Now going to solve the exercise. First question, very easy, simplifications are there, try yourself. In that I will do any two, so I will take here E and I. Let's solve those two and others for your practice. Here they given 13 divided by bracket minus 2 plus 1. So first open the bracket, 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so it will be 13 divided by So minus 2 plus 1, what we will get here? Minus 1. So 13 divided by 1, that is 13. So here plus, here minus, plus divided by minus, we will get here minus. It will be minus 13 is our answer. Next question number I. Here they given minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. First solve what are they given in brackets. Minus 6 plus 5, what we will get here? So opposite sign are there, so do the subtraction. 6 minus 5, 1. So here greater sign will be minus, divided by minus 2 plus 1, just I solved. What we got? Minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1, here we will get plus 1, because minus into minus by minus we will get plus, and 1 divided by 1, that is 1. So answer is 1. Second question, verify that a divided by in bracket b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c for each of the following values of a and a, b, c they given here. So I will solve first one and solve yourself second one. Here they given a divided by b plus c. So write them. A is 12 divided by, what is b? B is minus 4 plus 2. So in right side also write it. Is not equal to a, what is a? 12 divided by minus 4. B is minus 4. Again plus a is 12 divided by c is 2. Okay, so here this side, in left side 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2, what we will get here? Minus 2 is not equal to 12 divided by 4, we will get here 3, which 3? Minus 3, plus 12 divided by 2, we will get here 6. So minus 2 divided by 12, what we will get here? We will get here minus 6, which is not equal to minus 3 plus 6. Here we will get plus 3, so which is not equal to minus 6. So like that you do the second one also. In here third question, filling in blanks are there, and fourth, fifth, sixth, these all four are similar to the last exercise. So try to solve yourself. Here directly I will solve the last question, that is 7th question. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descents start from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? So here we have to calculate the time to reach the depth of minus 350 meters. Let's write the given points first. Here they given from the from the ground level above the 10 meter to the depth of 350 meters. So here they going in opposite direction, so we are taking it into negative. So from 10 meter to 350 meter we have to add it. So in opposite direction they going, that's why you taking here minus. So 10 minus of minus 350, so here we will get 10 meter minus into minus plus 350, total shaft gone into 360 meters. So they given shaft rate, how much it going in 1 minute? It going in 1 minute 6 meters. So how much meters it should go? 360 meters in how much time? So it will be 360 divided by 6, because every minute it going 6 meters. So 6 ones are 6, 6 are and 0. So answer will be 60 meters, 60 minutes. Here I am attached all answers of third exercise and fourth exercise according to all questions. Before seeing these answers, you have to practice them once. After that you have to cross check your answer by using these printed answers. Okay, so practice all the problems. So here it will be the last exercise of the first chapter. In next videos we will go through the second chapter.